Going to show you how to do a magic knot that blends in your two ends together. You're going to take two pieces of yarn, and then this piece of yarn here, I'm going to bring it under, and then make a loop. And tie a knot. And then this end here, you're going to bring it over and then make a loop and tie a knot. And so you have these two ends together and you're going to pull them. And as you pull them, it's going to connect them together. And then you take your scissors and cut the two tops, the two pieces together, or cut them off here. And then you just connected your ends together. And then this blends these two ends together just by doing that. So thank you for watching.